So when I was first approached for the film, I saw so much conviction. Even before the script was narrated to me, I saw so much conviction and passion in Sonu's eyes that I felt that this was, even before signing it or saying yes, I felt, okay, I feel like this is something I will be doing. And then on reading the script, it's a very, very powerful narrative. The role was very, very fresh and also very challenging for me. It was beautifully written. So, of course, I felt that I needed to be part of this film, and I thank you, Sonu, for considering me for this role. And Sonu, the director, or Sonu, the actor?
Yeah.
That's a difficult one because we had such a great energy working together and acting together, but being directed by Sonu was really a very, very different experience. The one thing I feel that stood out for me the most was he was so committed to making sure he brought out the best in me. And that for me as an actor, as an artist, was like, it's just amazing to experience that when your director believes in you so much and he just really wants the best for you. And that is Sonu Sood. So yes.
In fact, I'll tell you when we approached Jackie, the first thing that I said was, we don't want any makeup, no hair, a very simple girl from Delhi, Sarojini Market, you'll buy any kurti and you'll have a small bag. And when she saw herself for the first time, she said, मैं इतनी अलग कैसे एकदम अलग दिख रही है, and I'm looking the best, कुछ खास lenses हैं क्या? So I think she has done so many good roles and she has made all of us proud. But I promise you, this is on record, this is going to be Jackie's best.
Wow, thank you, Sonu. Thank you.
Okay, I think we've covered a lot of these questions that we've got from our friends from the media. But quickly tell us, didn't you want to do a romantic kind of film with this gentleman here? Like thoda rom-com ho, kuch aisa ho? No?
But there is romance. And there's beautiful romance also in the film.
Right.
And our song also is coming out on in the next few days.
Right.
Which
26th.
is
Yeah,
a
26th is
romantic
called
song.
Ruan Ruan.
Yeah, and I think you'll see a lot of romance.
I am sure, I'm sure. And are you doing a lot of action too?
Accidental action, yes.
But real.
Real action, yes,
Yeah.
real action. Accidental for the character, I have to say, because she's really not a very action-oriented character. But the situation pushes her into that. So, but it was fun to do because I am an action-oriented person. So I had so much fun doing that, and the action has turned out amazing.
Okay, other than the no makeup thing, were there any other things that this gentleman told you to do? Like, how would you approach the role and all of that?
So Sonu was actually, despite having a great vision for everything, every scene, he was also very clear every single time. Like he wanted certain nuances in your expression or certain nuances in the way you would do things, like the way you held your coffee cup or whatever it was. But so that was, I feel, when you have someone who's very clear about what they want, it just makes your job also much easier. So I was able to experience that from him.
Right. Sonu sir, the two of you standing over here, finally we presented the trailer to the world. We've seen the response. Final words abhi is press con mein kya honge?
There's a very beautiful line which Fateh says in one of the scenes. He says कि एक पुलिस वाला उससे पूछता है कि इंसान को अपनी हैसियत के मुताबिक बात करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग जब इंडस्ट्री में रहते हैं, कोई भी प्रोफेशन हो, चाहे आपका हो, हमारा हो, कुछ भी हो, तो हर इंसान को कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि मुझे वैसा रोल मिलना चाहिए या मुझे वैसा काम मिलना चाहिए, तो सब बोलते हैं यार पीठ पे आपके कई बार बात होती है, इंसान को अपनी हैसियत के मुताबिक सोचना चाहिए. ऐसा अक्सर सुनते आए हर प्रोफेशन में. सो उस पर एक सीन लिखा था कि इंसान को अपनी हैसियत के मुताबिक बात करनी चाहिए, एंड टू विच फतेह से इसकी कहीं पढ़ा था सर कि हैसियत भी आसमान जैसी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ज़मीन कितनी भी महंगी हो, कोई ना कोई खरीद ही लेता है.
क्या बात है सर.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं, और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें. 8 मिलियन प्लस सब्सक्राइबर, आपके इस भरोसे के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद.